Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It is the 12-week fall cleaning and organizing challenge, week 7, and I will be working on my master bathroom, master bedroom, and laundry. So I start off with cleaning out under the sink. It wasn't too bad, just needed some wiping down and a bit of organizing. And then once I'm done with that, I will move on to my windows and my shower. And I just want to thank everybody that had participated in this challenge. It was a 12-week challenge, but I am kind of getting to the end of it, so I'm not sure that I will have full 12 weeks to go on. I do, however, have the next week's challenge on my blog post, so make sure to check it out in the description box. And if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you do, because I do daily updates on there of everything that's happening throughout the day. If you guys haven't tried these Norwex products, this is the mold and mildew stain remover and my Norwex cleaning paste. These things are great to getting the mold and mildew off, and the cleaning paste works really well on cleaning the grout. If you watched my kitchen cleaning declutter, I did use it in the kitchen and the grout as well, and it works really good. next day I moved on to my bedroom, and I had removed the shower curtain from my master bathroom together with my curtains and the kids' shower curtain, so I can wash them all together at the same time. And then I moved on to cleaning the windows and I also washed, before I cleaned the windows, I washed my makeup brushes, and I used Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo to clean them up. Let them soak for a while, and then I rinsed them and let them dry off, air dry. I also went through my makeup little vanity. There wasn't a lot to do, just more wiping down and reorganizing. The closet was pretty good. It wasn't too messy. I ended up just refolding some of the clothes and dusting the shelves. When I moved on to I'm still struggling with the jewelry and the organization of jewelry, but eventually I will get there.
You gotta be my someone. a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
And the last thing that I did was clean my laundry. Once again, it wasn't too bad, just needed to clean the window. And I like to empty the water drain on the bottom of the washing machine. My old washing machine didn't have this one does have it. It just helps from the washing machine smelling, I guess, and there's often some stuff in there that shouldn't be. So anyways, and I'm again using the Lysol orange scent antibacterial cleaner to wipe everything down. Hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. I hope it gave you motivation. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.